But I'm saying who the nigga is though?
Who the nigga is, yo?
Move, Red. Who?
The GDs acting. GD want to kill me.
The GDs.
Your her partner.
The GD want to kill you.
Your her partner.
Man, don't do drugs. What you mean?
Your her fault.
GD want to kill me, huh?
The GD want to...
GD want to kill me, man. GD want me dead, man.
Who is GD?
GDs. The GDs.
The GDs. The gangster disciples.
Kill the hoe.
You so dead.
Right, let's start put my partner on now.
Don't do me like that, Rad. Come on, man.
You going. And not for real. Who is the nigga?
That police ass shit.
Right,
That police shit, dog. You gotta be quiet. Now, I'm telling you, be quiet, man. Say nothing about this shit, dude. I know you gonna pour that shit.
Don't drink old English.
I might give him that pistol. I'm gonna give him pills around there. Shoot that nigga. You wanna shoot that nigga? Where he at? Down the
Look how he looking at you, man.
Going back to Brooklyn, make him do tonight.
No, it ain't.
Cause them sheriff coming now. You shoot his ass. Now you gonna have somewhere to go. You need to be gonna catch your plane ticket.
Yeah, look, she's so dead, man. Come on, Ryder, man, don't do me like that. Ryder, don't do me like that, bro. Why you doing
We
me
get
like
rich, bitch. You going with me. Bitch, you better talk.
No, they stole your idea and shit. You mad and shit. I told you.